skinny girls wake, them hoes don't compare. Junk in the trunk looking like two pairs.
All I do is stay up all night, losing sleep over you. All I do.
Okay, guys, so this is what we're going to be using to make some bomb, super quick and easy smothered turkey wings, okay? So, of course, here we have our turkey wings. Okay, this is almost 4 pounds of turkey wings. This is 3 and, what's that, 7/8 of a pound of turkey wings, okay? I have some butter. I have, of course, my seasoning blend. You guys, this is all the seasoning that you are going to be needing for your meat, your stews, your sauces, your vegetables, anything that you need to season pretty much. I mean, I wouldn't use this on like maybe some eggs because I only put salt and pepper on eggs, but you guys, this is a bomb elevated all-purpose seasoning. It's bomb. Of course, you can buy my seasoning in the description box below. I left the link. If you don't have my seasoning and you lacking honey, you can use some adobo and throw some herbs and spices in it. I'm not about to tell y'all my recipe for my seasoning blend, but y'all can see it just by how it looks. This seasoning is super complex. It has all kind of herbs and spices in it. It's really, really good, and it's affordable. My seasonings are super affordable, okay? So that's the only seasoning I'm going to be using to make my bomb smothered turkey wings, okay? So we got that. I have some all-purpose flour, some minced garlic, some white vinegar, a yellow onion, and that's it, right? This is all you need to make some bomb smothered turkey wings. All right, so let's get to it. Let's go ahead and clean these turkey wings up and then season them up. Yo, this is a super bomb, and it's an all-in-one recipe. It's a one-pot meal, okay? You guys, I totally thought that I totally thought I was just recording just now. Y'all, the only thing I did so far was I put a tablespoon of minced garlic in the bottom of the pan, okay? You guys, I did not realize my memory card wasn't in all the way, and I wasn't recording when I was showing you when I seasoned the turkey wings, but I was doing a TikTok, so I'm going to switch my footage over to my TikTok footage and show you that way, okay? I got you. Okay, so here are the turkey wings, nice and cleaned up. I'm sorry for the sideways camera angle, but that's how I had to position the video to convert it from the TikTok footage, alright? But we gotta make it do what we do. So, first thing I did was I took some white vinegar and I splashed a little bit on top, about a capful. You guys know I love to do that to my meat. Next, I'm going to take my seasoning blend and I'm going to season the top side of the turkey wings, and then I'm going to rub it in, okay? Then I flip the turkey wings over, season the other side. Make sure you take your hands and massage that seasoning all in them turkey wings, y'all. Get all in them nooks and crannies, and you know, just make sure your meat is seasoned well. Alright, don't go super heavy because, of course, my seasoning blend has salt in it. You don't want your food to be salty, so just season enough. Now I'm taking a tablespoon of minced garlic, putting it inside the pan, not on the meat. I don't want it to burn. Here's my onion that I chop roughly. You don't have to, you know, chop it finely. I'm putting the onion in the sides of the pan as well, and it's going to flavor the stock really, really good. Now I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of butter and I'm going to dot the top of the meat with our butter. Okay, that's what I'm doing right now. Look at my butter cuts. Okay, so I put the butter on top of the turkey wings, and that's pretty much it. Next, I'm going to take some tinfoil and I'm going to cover the turkey wings tightly. You want a nice tight seal with your tinfoil so that you can get some liquid inside your pan in the first step of the baking process. You don't want any steam to escape. You know, you want to have some pan dripping so we can make our gravy. Get that tip in there. Okay, y'all. Into the oven we go. Okay, guys, so it's been about an hour. This is how it's looking. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and flip these over. Okay, so I flipped them over. I'm going to go ahead and cover them again with some tin foil. And I want these to be super tender. So I'm going to bake them for like another half an hour and then check on them again. Okay, you guys, so it's been another 35 minutes. Now we're going to work on this pan gravy. Okay, it's looking good. So you guys, all this flavorful liquid in the pan is what we're going to be using to make our gravy. Okay, so I have a measuring cup right here. We're gonna go ahead and pour this into the cup. Very carefully because it's hot, of course. So you guys, that was 2 cups of pan drippings right here. To that, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. You pretty much want to use a tablespoon per cup of liquid to make your gravy. Okay? So here's my AP flour. Okay, so that was our flour. Now we're going to go ahead and mix it up. So that looks pretty good. I'm not going to add any more seasoning to it because, you know, our chicken was seasoned pretty good. So all this pan drippings are super fortified and flavorful. So you don't really need it. So, this is our mixture. We're going to go ahead and pour this back into the pan. Alright, so this is how it's looking. See? Now we're going to put this back into the oven, uncovered, until it's nice and golden brown. Alright you guys, so it's been like 30 minutes. We're going to go ahead and start basting our turkey wings with the gravy. If your gravy is too thick, you can always add a little bit of water. Look at that. Yo, this is going to be good. So we're going to baste it and then we're going to cook it more. As a matter of fact, I think I'm going to add a little bit of water to mine. Not a lot. It's like a splash of water. Mix that. Mix that. Some over there. This thick part, I'm going to baste it. Yeah, my house smells so good. Oh my gosh. So the pan is still uncovered. I'm gonna cook this longer until it's like fall off the bone, y'all. Oh, this is gonna be so good. Okay, you guys, so our turkey wings are done. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Oh my gosh, you guys. You cannot tell me that does not look good. So yeah, these turkey wings came out so good. This gravy in the pan is begging to go on top of some rice, some mashed potatoes. You know, listen, hook it up, all right? Y'all, this came out so good. Oh, it smells so good in here, y'all. Y'all, these turkey wings are so tender. Y'all see that? You guys, I cannot explain how good it smells in here. Oh my gosh. The only season I use was mine. Okay? Y'all, this is all you need, alright? Check the link in the description box below and order you one. Okay? You can use this on anything. Meat, vegetables, your sauces. Yeah. Okay? Give my video a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to do you, boo. Bye, guys. Oh.
Don't slip up or get caught. Why not, man? I'm coming for that number.